Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
We are fine. Thank you so much joining with us. Uh, we working together, Atir and me, Dhananjay Chakma. We from Bangladesh. Maybe you know. Actually, our topic is Facebook ads campaign. How to work and exactly how to maintain your campaign and set up properly. So please tell me about your details or anything else. Uh, Ask me, no problem.
Okay. So we've been corresponding with the tour. Um, the product, it's the same account and product that
Mm,
we were working with before a couple of months ago with him for the for the lead generation campaign, but this time it's the actual
mhm,
product planner. Um, and it's for high school students who are preparing for college, the college application process. And so we're targeting them, but more so the parents or the moms will most likely be buying them on Meta. And so what we've sent the information that tour recommended, the videos, as well as the static images for the static ads and copy for all of them. And so we're just wanting to talk through
mm,
what we sent and find out kind of the strategy and what we need to do on our part to work with you guys to make it successful.
mm. Okay. We saw your products and website. It's good and product is good, but conversion ads would be best. Okay, but not a perfect for lead generation. Your website is for related conversion ads, like sales ads. It would be better for more reach impression and customers like college students. Okay, but lead gen is I think not better. I am showing this your website and that like to show Koranto or not.
No, these are old. So we
Oh,
don't
okay,
want to
okay,
do,
okay.
yeah,
So no
those
problem.
have already.
Okay, no problem. Got it, got it. We working new campaign. We working for new setup campaign. Okay, this is the old campaign. Okay, now got it. Okay.
আচ্ছা,
Mm-hmm.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
So no
তো
problem.
দাদা,
Yes.
হ্যাঁ, ইয়াতে আমাদের ওয়েবসাইট অ্যাক্সেস নিতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? ওয়েবসাইট
Yeah, yeah,
অ্যাক্সেস।
yeah. So, hello, Evans. We need for your website login access, okay? For like pixel setup and conversion event setup properly, okay? Must be need a website login admin access. Then we run continue the conversion ads, okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay,
আর
send
এই যে
send on Atiur Rahman in Fiber inbox or the Zoom chat box.
ভিডিওটা দাদা, এই যে এখানে দুইটা ভিডিও,
Mm-hmm.
এখানে টু ভিডিও, সেম ভিডিও, এই যে এই দুইটা ভিডিও,
Okay,
দুইটা দিচ্ছে, এই দুইটা।
okay. But and then these other two videos they are both different. Okay, এখানে different
so
বলছে. Okay.
I sent you a folder.
Mm-hmm. Folder.
When we started the don't download those. Don't download those. I sent you a
Mm.
folder in our
Okay.
order.
ওকে, এটা ডাউনলোড করতে না বলছে।
ও, এটা ডাউনলোড করব না,
নো।
নতুন ভিডিও দিবে।
You
Oh,
mean
okay.
you provide a new folder, right?
Yes, I sent
Okay,
it to
okay.
you when we started the order. So it's in that chat, the order chat.
Okay, okay, order chart, ওই যে অর্ডার সাথে যান, ভিউ অর্ডার, ওই যে সি অর্ডার, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ রাইট, ইয়েস।
হুম,
ওকে, এখানে পাঠাইতে বলবেন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, অর্ডার
ওকে
বক্স। আর
ওকে
আর হচ্ছে যে ওয়েবসাইট অ্যাক্সেস, এটা
ওকে, এখানে চান, সো ইভান give for him the order chat box for website login. Okay.
Okay, so he already Atur already has website manager role in our website. He
I
already
think-
has he already has access.
Maybe your website is Shopify, right?
No, it's
Oh,
Wix.
oh, okay, 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 no problem.
কনভার্সন পিপিডেন্স না দাদা?
Yes, conversion. Okay, first of all, we run a conversion campaign.
ওকে, 15 দিন, 15 ডেজ।
Yes, 15 days, for 15 days. So
ম্যাম, 15 ডেজ কনভার্সন ক্যাম্পেইন, ওকে?
Okay, are we sticking to the strategy that you gave us a couple days ago?
okay, actually our topic, our strategy, let me share. Okay, I hope you can see this my screen. This is our Facebook ads marketing strategy. Okay, first of all, yeah, you see engagement, but we don't suggest for low budget any clients. So this one our marketing strategy, for we maintain this here. We collected in our PDF profile. First of all, we see this here. How do I get sales on Facebook? And you see this our PDF file at then we run or we create or we make ad panel or like sales panel. Okay, you see this here our Facebook panel. So we maintain for focus Facebook ad panel for good result from the our campaign setup. So we will try our best strategy, maintain and set up management monitoring. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So we can end the meeting.
25%.